DD Audio is proud to present the DD REDLINE PSW Series subwoofers that were built to level up your power handling so you can level up your bass at a steal of a price. Available in 10, 12, and 15-inch sizes with dual 2 and dual 4 ohm voice coil options, the REDLINE PSWs are easy to use in a wide range of installations. Rated for 3 to 600 watts RMS for the 10 and 12-inch sizes and 4 to 700 watts for the 15-inch, these beastly subs are easily able to handle enough power to deliver those mirror-shaking lows you crave. They feature power-tuned suspension systems incorporating DD Audio EROM surround technology, so the REDLINE PSW Series work best in high-efficiency ported enclosures. For optimized power handling, the REDLINE PSW Series uses high-temp aluminum former voice coils available in 2.5 and 3-inch sizes. Extended pole pieces and bump back plates allow voice coils to safely travel from peak to peak when the subwoofer is pushed to its excursion limits by the large and powerful motor structures. With other features such as treated composite pulp cones, vented stamped steel frames, push terminals, and woven tinsel leads, it's no wonder that DD REDLINE PSW subwoofers have the reliable sound that only DD can deliver at an unbeatable value. DD REDLINE, solid performance, sizable savings. Head over to ddaudio.com/dealers to find a dealer near you today.